You won't believe how these harmless-seeming habits could be destroying your health from the inside out. Let's fix them before it's too late. We're breaking down 10 daily habits that are sneakily sabotaging your health, and most people don't even realize they're doing them. Stick around because the last one is something almost everyone is guilty of. 1. Chronic dehydration. Impact shrinks brain tissue, causes fatigue, and ages you faster. Fix: carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. 2. Skipping strength training or sedentary lifestyle. Impact: weak muscles, slower metabolism, and risk of chronic diseases. Fix: just 10 minutes of movement daily can make a difference. 3. Overusing headphones or earbuds. Impact: hearing damage, posture issues, and poor sleep. Fix: give your ears regular breaks. 4. Never taking a day off. Impact: burnout, weakened immunity, and premature aging. Fix: schedule rest. Even 15 minutes counts. 5. Poor oral hygiene. Gum disease linked to heart problems and reduced lifespan. Fix: brush and floss daily, especially before bed. 6. Sleeping in makeup or ignoring skincare. Impact: clogged pores, faster skin aging, and inflammation. Fix: quick cleanse before bed, no excuses. 7. Screen addiction. Impact: nervous system overload, eye strain, and poor sleep. Fix: screen-free breaks every few hours. 8. Persistent negativity. Impact: stress hormones damage your body long-term. Fix: practice gratitude journaling or positive reframing. 9. Lacking purpose or planning. Impact: low motivation, reduced mental and physical health. Fix: set small weekly goals. 10. Sitting too much. Impact: higher risk of diabetes, obesity, and back pain. Fix: stand up every 30 minutes and walk after meals. To recap: hydration, movement, rest, hygiene, mindset, and screen time all play a massive role in how long and how well we live. Small fixes today mean a healthier tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone you care about. Which of these habits do you struggle with the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy choices every day keep the slow killers away. See you in the next video.